To have him on this tour, to say the least. Ladies and gentlemen, on anybody's shortlist, one of the world's greatest from Chaska, Minnesota. We'll have a great big round of applause for Trevor Meyer. Amazing individual, ready to go down. Our first rider, originally from Chicago, Illinois. This man is a world traveler.
Radio.
He's moved to the beautiful
Live transmission.
area about 4 years ago to chase the dream before he was
Radio. Live transmission. Listen to the silence, let it ring on. Eyes dark, relentless, rise of the sun. We would have a fine time living in the night.
Big time stunts, running in the middle section of the ramp again for another 540. Yes! Come on, he wants some noise. Where are you at, school? Yes! In drum, just a fine pelter, and how you can tell, he's a big air specialist. This guy's all about going in. Tell me how many circles are in a 1080. Yeah, 7. No, not 7. Here we go. Eito Yashitoko to the move. 1, 2, 3. Rolls away. Can I get a huge round of applause for Eito, Josh, Michael, Trevor, Alex,